As a business owner, I'm sure you've experienced leads coming into your ecosystem excited to learn more about your business just to have them ghost you a couple days later for seemingly no reason. Now, that sucks, and I understand it because it's happened to me and every business I've ever run, and it's happened to everybody I know in every business they've run. It's very normal, but that doesn't make it good. Now, if this is not happening to you, then you probably aren't doing enough marketing, and that's a separate problem you have. But if this is happening to you, just like almost everybody else, then there actually is a way to significantly improve the rate of how many people are ghosting you, because obviously we want that to be as low as possible. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build out an automation that will make sure that leads quickly come back if they ever even think about ghosting you. So without further ado, let's get right into the workflow so I can show you exactly how to set this up for your business. So right now I'm inside NovaFlow, which is the best software that you're going to be able to use in order to follow up with your clients through an omni-channel inbox. And the first step to this is going to be to add a tag. And so the trigger I have here is tag added, make this person ghost me. What this means is whenever I have a contact that tries to pull this stuff, I add the tag to their contact that says unghost me. Okay. And then automatically this entire automation is going to begin without me even having to lay a hand. And it's going to automatically follow up with them over and over and over using different forms of communication to make sure that they get back on the phone with my team. So after I add that tag, it's going to wait 2 hours just in case they get back to me in time, whatever. And I made sure that in settings, I have it so that if they do get back to me, it stops on response. So give them 2 hours just in case they need a little bit more time. They were busy. Okay. Then I send them the first SMS. It says, hey, first name, when's a better time to chat in regards to Nova Echo's voice AI, right? If they don't answer, cool. They're going to get sent an email. They don't answer, I'm going to wait 15 minutes for a reply. I assume they're going to answer quickly. I hope. If not, then they're going to get deeper down into this automation. It's going to make sure they come back. Then we see whose client this is. I have 2 sales guys, and it depends on which client that is, right? So for this automation, I have 2 of my sales guys and myself set up within it. You can create an automation with as many sales guys as you want, and I have other ones that are similar to this with other people. But for this specific automation, I have Marcos, myself, and Hamley, and we all have different voicemails. So I told Marcos and Hamley to send me a voicemail with their voice that's telling people to hop back into the damn call. So for me, you can listen to it.
Hey, this is Joey from Nova Echo. I just want to know when a better time would be for us to chat.
And for Hamley, for example, we have this one.
Hey, this is Hamley with Nova Echo.
So it's going to actually send that voicemail straight to that person's voicemail inbox. Then all of these voicemails, regardless of who sent it and which voice it was, are going to come back to this one spot, which is to wait 2 days and hope that they finally respond to us within those 2 days. We hope they do, and we hope that they hope they do. Now, if they do not come back, then we're going to whip out the big guns, aka Nova Echo AI. So Nova Echo AI, this is the AI call, it's actually going to call that person on the phone, and it's going to say, hey, I saw that you were interested in Nova Echo. What happened? It's going to talk to them. It's going to answer any questions they have, and it's going to work to book them back into an appointment. It also has a double call feature turned on in this webhook right here, so that when it calls somebody, if they don't pick up, it will call them immediately right after, which will get past that do not disturb that they have on. And then if they still don't answer that call, we're going to send them another email. We're going to wait 7 days. We're giving them a whole week to respond to us, to get unghosted. We're being nice to them. We're being peaceful. But if they don't, we're coming back, okay? Then we're going to wait another 15 minutes for the reply. If they don't reply, we're sending them another SMS, and these are all different each time, by the way. Every SMS and email and call that you see here is going to be a different kind of SMS, different kind of email. That way it doesn't feel like a spam or repetition. It feels like we're just trying to get them back on the phone. Okay, and wait 2 hours, hope they respond. If they don't, we're sending a second voicemail. These are different.
Hey, just checking in again. This is Joey from Nova Echo. It's been almost...
These are different, and we have different ones for everybody. We're then going to wait another 5 days and drip them in, or pulling out the big guns again, because if they want to play, we're going to play, all right? So we're bringing out Nova Echo AI, which is the most effective and efficient tool that we have in the system. Now, we don't have the AI calling from Nova Echo AI all over the place because people don't want to get spam called, right? So we have to be very careful with how we use it. We did one after 3 days and one after 2 weeks, but the places that we do put it make it so useful. And when you place this right, it's going to increase the amount of people that come back by such a large percentage. This is our most powerful tool in the system. Next, we have email, another SMS. We're going to wait a month. This time we're waiting a month. If they still don't answer, we're giving them another email, another SMS, another call back to back. If they still don't answer, we're going to leave them a little voicemail. We're going to wish them the best of luck. And then we're going to consider them a dead lead. Now, they're not really dead because in another video, I could show you how the dead lead automation actually leads to another automation, which continues to nurture this prospect. But I'm not even going to go that deep in today's video. I just wanted to show you guys how powerful this is. I also want to show you guys that if you book a call with us because you want to get access to this and you want to be able to use Nova Echo AI to follow up with your clients, don't you dare ghost us. Because your email and your phone number are going to get put right in here. It's absolutely legal. And we're going to show you how to do this in your business. But if you decide, hey, for whatever reason, I'm going to ghost Nova Echo, this is what you're going to get hit with. So please be careful when you do book a call with us in the link down below so you can get access to this exact template and you can start using this for your clients and you can start calling them on autopilot to get them back on the phone with you. Make sure that you genuinely want to integrate this kind of technology in your business within the next few months. So using this internally in our sales team has actually taken a big load of stress off of our salespeople's back because now instead of having to follow up with every single person, remember every single name, all they do, if somebody does this, if they no-show, if they ghost, all they do is press boom, add tag. They never have to think about that name again in their life. And that person will just get automatically followed up with. Then if that person says, hey, I'm actually interested in Nova Echo again, then the sales guy can be like, okay, awesome. You still want to use this technology. You still want to see how we can help you. And then they'll go in there, they'll continue the conversation, they'll make sure that they answer all the questions that that prospect has. But until then, the prospect can be out of their minds. They are free to focus on what's very important. All right, guys, I hope you actually learned a lot about how we use Nova Echo AI to efficiently help us bring in more leads and get higher conversion rates. And by the way, I was kind of joking a little bit. You are going to be putting this automation if you decide you want this technology and then you ghost us. But I don't see that ever happening because it is so freaking cool. And if you do want to get access to it, again, link in description. If you want to see how we use the AI to make 10,000 calls in a day to book appointments, which is a separate use case, then you can click right here.